All right, everybody, it picked up a little bit. We got some wind, but one thing I'm super concerned about, if you look over here, shine the light to the right, you'll see that's a current in the flood. So what that's doing, the wind's blowing the opposite direction, but the water's flowing this way. So that means there's a stream, there's a lot of water coming down at this point. So I would expect this to start raising up quite a bit. And you figure if this goes on for another 4 or 5 hours, it's gonna come up to the house. There's other people that's already come to their houses, but that stream of the steady flow going down the street. The wind's picking up. We're getting some good gusts right now. Hot diggity dog. Let's go. All right. So yeah, we're going to be watching it and keep you updated. And right now we're just hoping all this water stops. So be safe, everybody. This is Hurricane Milton in Edgewater, Florida.